Hello everybody, welcome to Veloce Vlogs. Today with a special video for you guys. Today we'll be installing the Novitec exterior door triangles in carbon on my 4C. This video is to demonstrate you guys how to install the triangles on the 4C. Special thanks goes to Squadra Sportiva, the webshop which I used to purchase these triangles, and also at the good folks at www.4c-forum.com. Those guys provided me with the necessary details and pictures, so I could make this video a possibility. Okay, let's go ahead and take out the door triangles out of the box. Decent packaging. It comes besides the triangles with some glue, which you can see here. I hope it gets in focus. Here are the triangles themselves. Take them out and see what they look like. And here they are, at least one of them. So this is the exterior door triangle from Novitec. As you can see, there's a little hole on the bottom side. They have to be screwed in place, and on the rear there's a little hook. That's for hooking it in. So yeah, looks self-explanatory more or less. So let's go ahead and install them on my 4C. So these are the Alfa Romeo 4C standard door triangles. These will be replaced by the Novitec ones. The first step in the process is to remove these completely from the car. To find the screw which holds the exterior door triangle in place, you have to start by removing the inner rubber door triangle. There's a little knob which holds that inner triangle in place. It is the same hole where the screw has to be taken out. The screw can differ from the driver's to the passenger's side. In this case we have a hexagonal screw, but on the other side, in my case, there was a regular crosshead screw. Keep that in mind. Now that the screw has been removed, go ahead and gently take out the old exterior door triangle by pulling it upwards. An important step is to remove the metal clip from the old door triangle. It has to be glued onto the new door triangle, as this clip holds the screw. Use the provided glue to glue the metal clip to the new triangle. Make sure the large hole is on the same side as shown here. Also take a moment to clean the surface behind the exterior door triangle. You can use some all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel to do the job. Place the new carbon triangle and push down from the middle of the triangle till it sits nice and flush. Take the original screw and screw back in place. Make sure to push the inner rubber door triangle back into its place. With the final step done, let's take a moment and see how things looked before with the old door triangles. And now the final result. Oh wow, this looks amazing! It complements the carbon wing mirror cap so nicely and give that extra sporty appearance. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.